So in this video, we will see how you can put your website in coming soon mode or in maintenance mode. Just to give you an idea, coming soon mode is when you're making your website, it is not live, and you don't want to show the progress with the world. You can just put your website in coming soon mode, and maintenance mode is when you already have a website and you are making some changes. I don't want people see those unfinished changes, so you can put your website on maintenance mode. In this video, I'll show you in just under a couple of minutes how you can put a beautiful design of coming soon mode or maintenance mode like this one or like this one, depends which one you like to choose, or a very simple design like this one, just something information about your website, social links, and that's it. So we can customize everything in this video. So as I said, in a couple of minutes we'll see how to set up this page. But if you follow the video, I will explain you more how you can modify these things in more detail. If you're not interested in that, you just want to put your website in maintenance mode or in coming soon mode very fast, the couple of minutes of the video are fine with you. You can skip the rest of the video. But I will recommend you follow all the video so you will understand how to put your website correctly in coming soon mode or in maintenance mode. Because a lot of people, they use some plugins, but they do not put their website the right way in coming soon mode, because there are a lot of factors happening here. You need to collect emails from your website visitors, you need to show them some information, maybe a timer or something. You need to show them your social pages so they can just go there meanwhile you are maintaining your website or you are building your website. So these three design we can put in a couple of minutes, and after we'll see how we can modify and add more designs to your coming soon mode. I would like to tell you, in this channel I cover all the important tips and tricks to create your website and how to manage your website. So if you are someone who want to upgrade your website game, consider subscribing to my channel. You will be getting a lot of quality content so you can upgrade your website game. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump into the video and put your website on a maintenance mode or a coming soon. So first of all, you need to log in your WordPress dashboard. And to do this, we are going to take help of plugin. So to add this plugin, go to plugins and click on add new. And now search for the plugin coming soon. Okay, there are many plugins available here. The first one you see, we are not going to use this. We are going to use the second plugin. Why? Because this one has 1+ million active installation, but they do not have very nice features. For example, if you use this plugin, you have to do a lot of things by yourself to change design and everything. And as we see here, all these three designs are ready-made for you and they are free. So we are using the second plugin. It also have very good rating. They have like 100,000 plus active installation, almost 5-star rating. So we need to install this plugin first. Click on install now. Once it is installed, click on activate. For now, I'll open my website in private tab so you can see how it looks before installing the plugin and activating, and how it will look after we turn on the coming soon mode or maintenance mode. So this private browser, I'll open my website. So this is my website. It is under construction. You go back here, and once you have this plugin, it is activated. You can see this option here, CMP settings. Click on CMP settings and just click enable from here and choose what you want to do. So as I told you, the right way to put your website in coming soon or maintenance mode, if you put the website in coming soon mode, it will return a 200 HTTP OK response to the indexing board. So Google will know that your website is coming soon. If you put on maintenance mode, your website will return 503 HTTP service and available code to the indexing boards. So Google will know your website is temporarily under construction and it will come back, or you can say it is temporarily under maintenance, it will come back. So it is very important you choose the right thing from here. Other plugins do not give this kind of option. Once you choose the right thing for you, click save all changes. You will go back to website and refresh it. So website is on maintenance mode. This is the easiest plugin how you can put your website in under construction and maintenance mode. And then after we'll see how we can customize this text also. For now, we'll go and I show you the 3 free designs. You can choose this design which is right now activated, or you can choose this one. Click on activate and then go back and refresh. So you can see the other free design is activated. You have email box here, you have social links option here, which we'll see how we can add that. And then I show you the third design, this one. Click on activate, go back to website and refresh. In this design you have a timer already added, and email address collection box also. Okay, now you see how we can put a website in maintenance mode with three beautiful design. There's some more design there, you have to pay for them, but I don't think so that you will need them, because in all these three design you can change the images, you can put videos, or everything you can change. So you do not need to buy any design from here. Okay, let's go to the second step, the content. Here you can choose, if you see here it is written my blog, you can choose a graphic logo. For example, go to select logo, you can choose a logo from media library, or you can click on upload files and choose a logo from here from your computer. So once you choose your logo, you can just upload the logo. For example, if I upload this logo and then insert logo, you can adjust the height of logo also. If I want more smaller, I'll just drag from here and click save all changes. Second thing is changing this text. Something's happening. You can change what you want, coming soon, and then the main text, wait for some website. You can give more information about your business or coming soon or what you are in progress right now. And then you can change the images from here also. For example, if you want custom images, just go to custom images, click on media library. Either you can choose image which you already uploaded on the website, or you can go to upload files, then select files and choose a nice image which you want to display, insert images, and then you have other options. Login icon, if you want somebody to give access to login, you can enable the login icon on under construction mode. Then you have option to choose timer. You can select from this calendar when your website will be ready and available for visitors. You can choose it from here. If you want to disable it, just disable it and you will not have any time on your website. This is interesting. As we see, there's an email collection box here to receive email from your website visitors. You can choose CMP subscribe form. You can choose how you want to save your subscriber. If you want, you can integrate with MailChimp, MailPoet, or Mailster. And then we have Mail Opt-in integration and third-party integration also. If you are using a plugin like Contact Form 7, WP Forms, or any other form plugin, you can enter the shortcode here, and your form will be displayed here. Then after we have social icons, just click on the icons which you want to display to present your social profile to your website visitor while it is under construction mode. And then from here you can change the URL of your social profiles. Then we have copyright. You can just change your copyright and then save all changes. We'll go back and refresh the page. Okay, you see we changed our logo, we changed the background image, and we have our text here, and then we have social icons and copyright. You do not see the email box. I think I did not selected something. Okay, because I use a third-party plugin, you can go back and choose the CMP subscriber form and then save all changes and refresh the page. Okay, now we have this email address box. If, for example, if somebody come here and enter their email and they submit it here, the message will display, thank you, your sign up request was successful. And then you can click here CMP subscribers, and you can see all the people who subscribe to your website via that form, they will be listed here. So this is the option how you can easily put your website on a maintenance mode with a beautiful design. No need of buying any paid plugin or any paid design. Let's go back and see what other options are. Then you have customize. You can choose a lot of things from here. You want to choose active color, font color, you can choose from here. You can choose font family. There are all Google fonts available here. You can choose the variants from here. You can see the preview of the font, what you are changing on your website. For example, if I look at it, it will look something like this. If I want Lato or Montserrat, it will look something like this. And once you're done, save all changes. Then we have other options: SEO, custom CSS, advanced preview. If you really don't want it, until now you're fine. You do not really need to use these options. But for the tutorial, I'm going to cover everything because I said it will be step-by-step complete guide. So here we have SEO analytics. You can choose the fav icon, SEO title, SEO description, and SEO image also. And you can choose if you want to discourage search engine from indexing the website. and it applies only for CMP page. So if you want, you can choose this and you discourage all search engines, but I would not recommend this to do. And then we have Google Analytics. If you don't know what is Google Analytics, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to make very soon a detailed video about what is Google Analytics and how you can use it. Basically, via Google Analytics, you can track all the website visitors. You can know from where they come, what is their ages, what is their gender, and how often they're visiting your website and how long they were on your website. So there are a lot of information Google Analytics I'm going to make a video about. If you want, you can search any other video on internet. There are so many nice videos on YouTube where you can understand how you can use Google Analytics. This is a must-have thing. Everybody should have Google Analytics on their website. So you can just put your tracking code here and then save all changes, and all the data will be tracked in your Google Analytics. Then with custom CSS, if you know what it is, you can use it to change the design. Then we have advanced. You can whitelist some pages here, and you can select the website pages from here, and these pages will not be under construction mode or in maintenance mode. You can choose the pages from here, whitelist, or you can blacklist the pages also. By default, you can just disable it. If your website is under construction, you can just leave this section like this. The plugin works fine. We are already set up. Another thing here which is very interesting, which is called bypass. If you want the people, some people can visit your website, you can bypass the rules of landing pages. You can give right to author, contributor, subscriber if they can visit your website while it is under construction. For example, right now I am logged in as administrator. For administrator, this website will always be visible. As we see here, this for public, the website is in coming soon mode, but when you're logged in, you can see the website will be visible. So you can choose if the editor, author, or contributor, or subscriber, they can also see the website when they're logged. And then we have bypass rules. This is an interesting one. For example, if you are making a website for your client, what you can do, you can enable this mode, save all changes, and then copy this URL, and then you can give this URL to your clients so they can see the progress. You can see here with this URL, I can see this website. If you do not need this, just keep it disabled. And then we have notification. You can enter email where it should send email when the countdown timer expired to 0. Then you have some miscellaneous options here. It is not really very important, but if you really need those, you can use this option. If you want a top bar to display on your website, you can use this option. Otherwise, you can keep it disabled. They have automated paragraphs, external scripts, cookie notice compatibility. So the basic setup here, go to settings, enable the coming soon or maintenance mode, and choose your design. This is the first thing. And the second, go to content and add your logo, add the text what you want to display on your page, and you can choose the image, or you can choose a video also. If you want to choose a video, you can choose a video from here. It can be a YouTube video, or you can upload a custom video file to be displayed as background. You can choose graphic patterns, you can choose solid colors, you can choose gradient colors, and then you can choose if you want to display login icon, countdown timer if you want it or not, and then form, and then social media. This is enough for you to put your website on under construction or maintenance mode. I hope you really liked the video. If this was useful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. If you want to upgrade your website game, share with the friends and family who are making their websites and it is under construction. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Have a nice day.